So hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about the where clause, and inside the where we basically use and or not, between, in, not in, all the all keywords. So first of all we will understand, let's jump to the uh, word file, and then after we will write query. Okay, first understand its definition. So basically, yeah, the where clause is used to filter record. The main purpose of the where clause to use the filter data. Basically, the main purpose is to filter the specific data, and yeah, this is the syntax. So basically, just copy it, and here what we do, we will just create database, and college db control enter. Okay, it already exists. So what we do, college database control enter, and use that college database control enter, and then after what we do, we will basically create one table, create table student uh, id and name varchar 100, sorry, 100, age and depart department name varchar, here is 100, and then control enter, and we have created one table inside into. And for this video I have discussed all about the ddl dml command, that through this we have created this, and yeah, after that values, and here we have entered. So we have entered basically multiple type of data, and then after control then enter, and then after what we do, we will basically enter some extra data so we can easily perform some operation using where clause. Okay, so for example 5 and Abhishek 25, Vikram, it's 8, then control enter. Yeah, and then after control enter, we will basically run dml command, that is select star from student, and here we can see that our total data. Now jump to the where clause. So select star from student, and after the table name we use where, and basically where use id is greater than equal 12, and control enter. Nothing, there is no id that is greater than 12. For example, we have entered 3. So yeah, 5 and 8, they both id are greater than 5 8. So here we use basically for filter the data, and apart from it, basically we use and or not based on the name, and it means when all condition are true, then it will perform the operation. It's just like a mathematicals, and or it is also same before one of the conditions will true, then it will run, and not, it is also when it will not match any condition, then we use opposite of the condition. Okay, so let's understand it by example. Select star from student where id equal 1 and id is less than equal to. Okay, when these both condition will work, then it will run the give the output. It is given 1, it is because 1 equal 1, id equal 1, and id is 1 is also less than equal 1, that's why. Okay, and same query with or command, where id equal 1 or id is less than equal to, then it will give 2 id 1 or 2. It is because in a first query it will see that 1 is right true, so it will give the 1, and in second query when it will check that 1 already has present, so it will not perform again operation, and in second operation it will see that id is equal to, if we don't think that this less than. Okay, and now jump to the not. Select start from student where id not 1. Okay, so here we use not sign. Okay, then control enter. Here you can see that all data has come except the id 1. ठीक है, and here you can also we can also use this like, so select star from student where I okay, we are not id 1. It will give error. It is because it works with the string. So we will just take name Subham and not name equal hoga, I think. Yeah. So name not equal. There is no any name that match with Subham. For example, we have given Rahul. And then control enter. Here you can see that it has reduced. Not means the data is not will not match this. Okay. And apart from it, these are the where command, that the main purpose of where command to filter the data. I think you have understood what is where command and how we use and or not operation. And not or not, these are similar with the java and all other languages. And or not, if both conditions are right, then it will perform operation, and if one condition are right, then it will perform operation if it opposite of the condition works. Okay, then jump to the in basically works like a you can say just like a array. So where name, sorry, id in. So for example, we have given 3 id, so it will see, and first it will print the one id, and then it will print second id, then it will print third id. Control enter. But we have not any third id equal 3, that's why it has not printed. So it works like a first in first operation it will print id 1, and in second operation it will print id equal 2 data, and in third operation it will print id equal 3 data. So we call it as a array. Okay, and if I talk about its negative part, not in, so inside the not in, select star from student where id not in 1 2. Okay, control enter. Except the 1 and 2, it has it has read all the and give the output except 1 or 2. Okay, and yeah, after this just jump to the between basically inclusive, that means within a range. It means we give two ranges, and it include all values as well. For example, we have given uh, for example we have given 5 4 to 8, so it will include 4 and 8 as well. Okay, so let's jump into its example. Select star from student where id between 1 to 3. It is not working. It is because between के साथ between and 3. Okay, now here you can see that it has printed 1 and 3, but 3 is not present, that's why it has not printed. If we give here 5, then it will print 5 as well. Okay, so both 1 and 5 both are included inside this operation. And after this there is not between, so here id not between 1 and 5. Yeah, except the 1 and 5, between 1 to 5, it's a range query. It's a 1 to 5. 1 to 5 mean 1 2 3 4 5 something. Okay, and after this I think we have done all the things, and in future video we will discuss other topic as well. So yeah, thank you.